What's up YouTube, Martin Dust back again, and in this video I will be giving you three tips on how to turn your cursed music into clean edits. 3 tips, stick with me. So if you have a collector of music, you know, record pools or iTunes, wherever it may be, a lot of the time songs are being released and sometimes it's an unclean version, the dirty version, the raw version, whatever you want to call it. That's the first one that's been released. Alright, sometimes if you're a corporate DJ or you play a certain event like weddings or, you know, certain parties, they might tell you, please play some songs that's curse free. So if you have a hot track or a brand new track, you might not be able to wait on a record pool to get that clean version, and you have to DIY. Yes, you have to do it yourself. So tip number 3, the song I'm going to use today is from an artist by the name of Young GT. Song is titled Whine For Me. That's WHINE, Whine For Me. That's what the song is titled. I'm going to put a link down in the description where you could find his track. So this one is the easiest of all. It takes one letter, and that's the letter R in Ableton. And all you're gonna do is highlight the track, okay? Highlight a part of the track, like a 16th of a note or a quarter of a note, wherever the curse word is, okay? But make sure it's on the grid, and just hit R, and it will give you an effect like this.
You wind up for me, your bucket.
Tip number 2, we are going to use another simple option, the note repeat.
Me love the way you wind up for me, you back it up for me, girl.
Right there we say back it up right there, and then so highlight it and Command D to create that loop.
Wind up for me, you back it up for me, back it up for me, girl.
The main thing to know when we're gonna do our edits is make sure you have the proper BPM of the track. So turn your metronome on and then make sure your track is lined up on the grid.
Wind up for me, girl.
And tip number 1, we're gonna be using automation on the track. You can use any audio effect you want to use, but in this one I'm going to be using a beat repeat and also an auto filter. Tip number 1. So in this one we're going to use the beat repeat that's in the audio effects, and we're also going to try the auto filter, just, you know what I mean, just automate the curse words. So remember to make sure you click the automation button at the top of the screen, above your track right there. And we're just gonna automate it, man. So let's go. Now on the beat repeat, I like to use device on the second tab when you're using the automation. So that one was the beat repeat. So let's right now try the auto filter. Let's do it.
Me love the way you wind up for me. Me love the way you wind up for me, girl. Me love the way you drop it low for me, your body keep calling.
Yo, that's wicked! Okay, so that's my 3 tips. How I take a dirty track or a raw track and turn it to a clean one. Alright? That's my 3 quick tips. Hope you enjoyed the video. Also, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new content. I got a quick question for you. If you have another way that you edit your tracks, alright, to make them clean, put it down in the comments. With those 3 tips, you can do a lot of additional stuff, a lot of tweaking, and make it your own. I hope you enjoy this video. And until then, wait a minute. Until then, you don't know Martin does. I'm out.